What you gonna do about it? You're next as well.
Why am I arrested for?
While some officers betray their oath and abuse their power, today you're about to witness instant karma strike back with a vengeance. Let's dive into the case where Ruben Leonard Hui III sued for excessive force and won after an unlawful arrest. On the night of April 24, 2024, around 11 p.m., officers were patrolling the area when they noticed a group of people loitering in front of a closed business. One officer started to frisk the first individual, while the second individual, identified as Ruben Leonard Hui III, became involved in a tense encounter with another officer.
Got any weapons on you, bro? You ain't got no weapons on you, bro? Not here? Was that your phone? You just wanted to whack him off? Yeah. That's not good.
Hey, that's my
No, it wasn't. That was your underwear.
I'm gonna sit down. I got that. We me and him just come around the corner.
I ain't gonna come around on that.
No, we just asked to do. Asked him.
But y'all been sitting, I had enough time to go to the red light and make a dog on U-turn.
In Terry v. Ohio, under the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, a police officer may stop a suspect on the street and frisk him or her without probable cause to arrest, if the police officer has a reasonable suspicion that the person has committed, is committing, or is about to commit a crime, and has a reasonable belief that the person may be armed and presently dangerous. As the officers interacted with Ruben, the situation escalated. Ruben resisted the officers' attempts to have him sit down, resulting in a physical altercation. During this, Ruben claimed that one of the officers punched him in the face. Ruben's immediate reaction was shock, and he loudly questioned why the officer hit him, claiming that he hadn't provoked the attack.
Hey, bro. Yo. Bro, have a seat.
But I'm touching you, sir.
Bro, ain't nobody touching you.
What you gonna do about it?
The face by a police officer, bro. Why you got hit in the face by a police officer, bro?
I got it.
Thank you.
Come on.
Let's go. Face for?
Come on, man.
You just punched me for, bro. Oh, bro, that's on camera, wasn't it?
Don't want to tell me I do something. I did not know that.
What's up with you punching me in the face, bro?
Bro, face is hard, bro.
Well, he threw that.
No, it wasn't even that. But put up his pants like
Yeah.
you
Bro, you punched me, bro. You punched me dead in my face, bro.
Hey, Rod, let me get some gloves.
Bro, spread your feet, man.
The Supreme Court's decision in Graham v. Connor established that the Fourth Amendment reasonableness inquiry is whether the officer's actions are objectively reasonable in light of the facts and circumstances confronting them, without regard to their underlying intent or motivation. The reasonableness of a particular use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, and its calculus must embody an allowance for the fact that police officers are often forced to make split-second decisions about the amount of force necessary in a particular situation. If the force was excessive given the situation, Ruben may have grounds for a civil lawsuit for violation of his rights. According to the officers, Ruben had been observed reaching into his pocket and throwing a small metal cylinder, which they later discovered contained crack cocaine. As the officers arrested Ruben, he continued to resist, refusing to give his name.
Yeah. Hey. Man, I should be on camera here punching me in my face, too. He assaulting me, folks.
2308.
I'll cut it.
No, you don't gotta cut it. You don't gotta cut it. Hey, y'all boys not paying attention. What's this? I know I cut this from you, bro. Man, take it off him. Cut it. We'll do whatever you gotta do. He under arrest. Turn around, man. Hold up, man. Put your knife up. He moving? Bruh, I'm not gonna ask you.
Bro, how's I'm moving? Fuck, bro, what is you doing?
Stop moving.
Bro, what is you doing? Why is you doing that, bro? I'm not even doing nothing.
Bro, it's on his chest.
Yeah, that's in my hand.
Hey. 51 HQ. 2310.
I ain't checked it yet. I'm just getting rid of everything that's on his person, so we can run through it one by one. Okay. I'm not worried about that.
I got it.
I ain't gonna lie, I seen that fly over there, but I thought it was Shorty. I was like, I'm on the guard.
So this is all money. We're gonna keep his money in there. Take this sex off.
Wait, it came out his pocket or it came off the ground?
Yeah, it was right here. I guess he said.
I gotta search it before I put you in the car,
saying,
man.
bro. I know that. Bro, you doing all that extra for nothing. Bro, stop touching me, bro. I don't want you touching me, bro.
Like
Bro, let me pull my pants up, bro.
Put him in the car. Put him in the car. Pull it up.
Hey, yo, somebody get his name, bro. Come on.
My FIC cards are over there.
370, copy 1050.
All right, make sure your camera's on.
50.
Where you punch you at? I didn't punch me dead, bro. I ain't do shit, bro. If you run the camera back, bro, this man assaulted me, bro. I turned around because I didn't know what the f he was doing. You feel me? This man came out the blue and just stole it.
He threw a.
Who got his name or something?
We didn't get that far yet.
Okay, somebody just put that down. Somebody need to run him and make sure he ain't got no warrants. Okay, you grab his name, run him, see if he got warrants.
Yo, bro, what's your first name?
Dog, we need to get your name, bro, just to make sure you're good.
Bro, come on, bro.
Bro, stop touching me, man.
Bro, what's your name, bro? You're gonna give us your name or you're gonna get booked under John Doe and you're gonna stay at county forever. Hey, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. You're gonna get another charge if you don't tell me your name. So this is the last time I'm gonna ask you. What is your name?
I'll take a charge.
Huh?
I'll take a charge.
Despite his resistance, Ruben was eventually charged with possession of a controlled substance, resisting arrest without violence, and obstructing justice.
Everything without his camera turned on. You know you're a rookie.
Bro, there's cameras in here.
I know there cameras in here. I know you a rookie.
Make sure there's nothing in that jacket.
Shut up. Bro, go in the cell, bro. Why are you being difficult?
Well, if you didn't have your badge on, bro, I swear to God.
Come on, man. We'll run out of the
Punch me there.
Nobody gonna punch you, man. Come on.
Let me take my cuffs off. Don't touch me, bro. You're not gonna take your cuffs off. Are you acting? You gotta go sit it now. With the cuffs on. All right.
What's going on? I am the shift commander for the police. You want to tell me what happened? You understand, giving your name's not going to hurt anything. It's just another charge if you don't, though.
Okay.
I mean, let's just clean up what we got right here. I know, it doesn't hurt to give your name now. It's one less charge, man. I mean, they're going to figure it out anyway, right?
Exactly. They don't figure it out.
Why would you want to pick up another charge then? When you're stopped by police, if you don't give your name, that's called obstruction. Were you injured?
Assaulted.
Assaulted? Okay, see, that's what I'm talking about. What happened? Okay, you never been trespassed from there, right? There's no problem?
Never been trespassed.
Okay, gotcha.
I ain't never started an altercation with people around there. Like every store around there, everybody around there know me, you feel me? I don't start no calls with no people.
I gotcha. Okay.
I ain't do nothing. I ain't put my hands
Okay, so you were hit once then?
Just one big ass like hit. Like I mean, it was really weak.
I was gonna say there's no marks or anything, man.
Ain't no mark. My shit swollen.
Okay.
You know?
I mean, you've been hit before, right? I've been hit before
I
too.
get in a fight, yo. I know how to
Okay,
fight.
then.
You feel me?
All right,
That was a cheap ass shot. You feel me? You hit me for no reason, all because I'm pulling on my pants. 3 people there. And when you got 3 people telling you, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. That's all ringing in my head.
Okay.
You feel? I'm trying to listen to him. I'm seeing my uncle nervous, and that's what's making me nervous because everybody's sitting there nervous.
What happened after you got hit?
When they said, okay, it was all teamwork. It was all the teamwork. If you under, okay, none of them had their cameras rolling. That came, they did not have their camera rolling at all. And all the one I'm talking about they was doing, I'm talking about doing dirty work, but it's like they was plotting already, like
what, choking or something?
Okay, so we gotta cover you him punching him, so we gonna make it say that he assaulted you, like he was moving. I'm sitting there about it, I'm like, what the f?
All right, I wanna watch the video, okay? Are you over 18 years old or are you under?
20.
20, okay. You something? Are you under the influence of alcohol or narcotics?
No.
No? Okay. So, just so I can replay this thing, you and your uncle are hanging out at 7-Eleven. You never had a problem there. You never been trespassed there.
Never ever been trespassed.
And the cops come up. So the officers had a plan. They cornered you and your uncle, right?
Okay, it was already a plan.
Uh-huh.
Like they planned that shit already, but they was. I can understand you got your routes. Everybody got specific routes they supposed to take. Like, you feel me? Like they planned this already.
Okay.
I don't know who, but they already planned that. The one who planned it was the one that punched me.
You never seen the officer before?
Never seen him. I seen him before. Yeah, I seen him before. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the same police officer that every time at nighttime, he the one that come and try to find out what the f he stayed.
So you don't want medics? You don't want medics then?
Nah, man.
Okay. All right. They're gonna scan your hands now for your prints. I just, it's just kind of a dumb charge, but I'll check the video and I'll get back, okay?
In the lawsuit that followed the April 24th incident, Ruben Leonard Hui III sued the officer who allegedly punched him, claiming excessive force and unlawful arrest. The judge determined that, while Ruben had resisted the officers, there was no justification for the level of force used. As a result, the court ordered the officer to pay damages for physical and emotional distress caused during the unlawful altercation. On April 13, 2024, the meeting organized by the Sheriff's Fire Department office was held in a room with a capacity of 49 people, but over 2,000 individuals were invited. This caused frustration, as many citizens were denied entry.
Report that this was an open meeting for the fire marshals, and they limited it to 49. About half of those 49 were employees, so only half of those were really the community was allowed. So all these people are being denied the ability to attend a public meeting. It's a violation.
What do you have to do with?
I'm an Oklahoma citizen that pays taxes.
Okay.
And I need to file a report because all these people are being denied access.
Tensions rose as Duran and others insisted on their right to attend the meeting and expressed dissatisfaction with the lack of accommodations, such as live streaming for the larger group.
I'll talk to you in just a second.
Okay.
All right. Hey, I'm gonna come in here.
Yeah.
Okay. So
I signed up for a part-time job today, buddy. I walked into this. So this guy Dermot, he's an attorney. He comes up here and he comes over just to disrupt pretty much.
That's what.
His argument today, coming to this meeting, and they're supposed to be required to come in and they need to accommodate the group. But it's such a large group, they went into a room before he was pissed. They're out there for Tulsa and all of it. And he says, well, they could just live stream this as they don't have can't accommodate the size group with the size of the rooms available. They should live stream.
Throughout the interaction, officers seemed more focused on managing crowd control and attempting to remove individuals from the premises rather than addressing the underlying legal complaints. A police officer stated that if the people in the lobby did not leave the building, they would face arrest for disorderly conduct. Eventually, Duran was arrested, handcuffed, and checked for any outstanding warrants.
All right, so the meeting's going on.
It's upstairs, 4th floor, room for 49. Half the people in there are.
That's not my concern. We're not doing a report. All right, you want these people out of the lobby?
The people in the lobby, these two have signed into the deal, but if they're not going to go up to the room yet.
We want them off the property.
And the other folks, yeah.
Everybody.
Well, I guess we'll put them out there.
They don't want to get off the property. I say off the property, out of the parking lot too, or if you're going to be disorderly,
Right.
then you're going to jail. All right. Yeah. Good luck. Yeah. All right. So who's here for this meeting? All of us. Everybody, come outside and let's talk. Don't touch me. All right. I'm not being rude. I don't want to be touched.
If you want to pat me on the back, that's cool.
You want me to touch you?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Okay, let's calm down. It's all right.
Calm down. I don't
It's
like
all right.
being
Let's de-escalate. Let's de-escalate. I got touched and I handled it a lot better than you are.
You need any help?
You're not doing that. I think if I was complaint against you for dereliction of duty, then that.
All right. We're getting out of here. If you need help, call us back.
Do you have a report number?
No.
So that's
All right.
dereliction of duty. You understand that, right?
Hey, prepare. You ready to go? All right, let's go. Meet at my car. You're gonna sit in the back seat of my car. And I'm gonna make sure you don't get any warrants. No, it's your chance to leave.
I don't have.
I'm gonna check you for warrants.
You have the right to check me for warrants.
Okay.
Reasonable articulable suspicion that I'm committing a crime. You do understand I'm an attorney, right?
All right. You gonna walk away, or what are we gonna do?
I'm gonna stay right here.
Okay, we're gonna check, make sure you don't have any warrants. Come on. Okay.
Don't worry, you tell me to go.
You got any ID on you?
I do.
You're next. You're next as well.
Why my arrest is for?
You're not arrested. I'm gonna read.
Left hand side, very top, left hand up, blue card. Not very top. Not very top. Not one more. No, then I'm behind the blue debit card.
After I handcuff him, I'm gonna. Each one of you guys are gonna come over and sit in my car. We're gonna make sure you don't have any warrants. Okay. So this is your chance to walk away, just like I told this.
Walk further back. Walk further back.
Slide this way.
Yes, sir. You're having a really bad day.
I was having a pretty good day.
I hope your body keeps
Have a
going.
seat.
There you go.
All right, good jump.
Typically, disorderly conduct is a term used to refer to any behavior that is considered unacceptable in a formal, civilized, or controlled environment. Many types of unruly conduct may fit the definition of disorderly conduct. As such, statutes are often used as catch-all crimes. Police may use a disorderly conduct charge to keep the peace when people are behaving in a disruptive manner, but otherwise present no danger. If Darren and others were simply insisting on their right to attend the meeting, the arrest may have been inappropriate. Duran repeatedly asserted his rights, highlighting the violation of the Open Meetings Act and threatening to sue the officers for their actions. In response, the officers maintained their stance, showing little concern for Duran's legal threats.
They're having a fire marshal's meeting, and people are upset because they can't get in because they're at capacity. That's what I figured. Yeah.
Charlie 64, he's clear.
Okay, thank you. Did you find him in the system?
I did. He's got a driver's license, and he had some stuff out in Tulsa County, but nothing. So he doesn't have anything.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Durbin, hold on. No one cares if you're sitting on the sidewalk, standing on the sidewalk, outside the building, not causing problems. The minute you start causing problems, all right, that's when we're going to have an issue.
So
you understand? Stop. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I understand.
Okay.
I understand what you said.
Okay.
I don't agree.
You don't have to agree. That's why you have a court date when you get arrested for disobeying a lawful order.
Okay.
Do you understand?
No,
I'm not,
I
listen to me.
understand how the court
I'm not
process
going to play games. If I have to come out here and you're the one that's causing the biggest disturbance, you're the first one I'm going to come to, just like right now. You're just going to go straight to jail for being disorderly. So step out and turn around. And I suggest you tell your friends that are all standing around here the exact same thing. Because this is not a game. This is real life.
Oh, no, you're right. It's not.
All right.
You lost your qualified immunity when you put your hands on me. So, I will see you in federal court. This was a beautiful day for me.
All right.
You just made me a lot of money.
Yeah, okay.
I give that money to charity, though, so they'll go to a good cause.
Okay. Up there on the front of the car and your license.
But it was all lies there, so that's awesome. Thanks for that.
In the end, the officer lost his job after the lawsuit ruled in favor of the citizens. The city paid a settlement, and the case became a reminder for police to respect public rights.
I'll tell you what, let her finish her business and then we can sit down and talk like
adults.
We're good,
I'm gonna let him go. We're good, I'm gonna let him go.
Yeah.
What? I'm sorry, what was your last name?
My last name?
Yeah.
Why do you need my last name?
Because I'm asking who I'm talking to. You asked me who you were talking to.
You're not, well, not going to be under arrest because what you're doing is going to get arrested.
Listen.
Hi everyone, welcome to Cops Quiz. Today's video focuses on a critical issue: the wrongful arrests of citizens by corrupt officers who misunderstand the laws. Stay with us as we dive deep into these troubling cases. If you find our videos helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. On September 22, 2022, Demetrius Kern, a motorist, was driving on Mayfield Road in Cleveland Heights, Ohio, when Officer Carly Lewis of the Cleveland Heights Police Department stopped a vehicle in front of Mr. Kern's, nearly creating a three-car crash. Mr. Kern then pulled over behind Officer Lewis and the other vehicle in which she had stopped to discuss her driving.
1 second.
81 Rio, stand by. It's going to be
on Mayfield across from the first access road. Send me another unit because another party does not know how to yield to lights and sirens.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm Officer Lewis with Cleveland Heights. The reason I'm for the traffic stop is the plates on the vehicle are expired. It's not even a big deal. Do you know that guy behind me in the Porsche?
I was trying to hurry up and move over.
You're good. No, you're good. You did the right thing. And I'll give you the plate to the other vehicle that's out with the confrontation. I apologize.
You almost ran me off the road.
I initiated my lights and sirens.
I didn't hear anything.
But was your music on? Because I had the lights and sirens on, sir.
Yes, sir. You apologize.
I apologize. Okay, I'm not wrong. The lights and sirens were activated.
The entire incident was captured by police body cameras, shedding light on a contentious situation. Attorney Wolf contends that the officers acted lawfully in detaining Mr. Kern, citing Section 4511.45 of the revised code, which mandates yielding to the audible siren of law enforcement. However, the absence of footage from the beginning of the traffic stop complicates matters, leaving uncertainty regarding whether Mr. Kern indeed breached the code. Officer Lewis and Mr. Kern provided conflicting testimonies, with Officer Lewis asserting she activated her siren while Mr. Kern claimed otherwise.
And I apologize for that. However, the lights and sirens were on. Okay, the police vehicle is marked. You can clearly see it's a marked patrol vehicle.
Say the disconnect, right? So between the public and you as a public servant.
You want me to just that driver check? Okay.
If it's something wrong and you actually did it, all you say, my bad.
And I did. I just said.
Keep going.
I said my bad. I said I activated I initiated a traffic stop in a marked vehicle with lights and sirens.
Right. I mean, you called back up for your safety. But
well, you don't pull up behind an officer on a traffic stop.
You don't even know what's going on.
You're right, I don't.
So why are you saying that?
Because I'm here, and what you're doing right now is against the law.
You ran me off the road.
Okay, well then you should have pulled over for lights and sirens. You said it on the radio that you didn't yield.
Despite the potential presence of Officer Lewis's siren, it appears that Mr. Kern may not have had sufficient time to yield due to the sudden maneuver to avoid a collision. This scenario prompts consideration of Officer Lewis's adherence to the duty of safe driving, even if both lights and sirens were activated. From a legal perspective, this raises the question of whether Officer Lewis could be deemed in violation of her duty to drive safely under the relevant statutes governing law enforcement conduct. Officer Lewis exercises her authority to request Mr. Kern's driver's license, even though there's no immediate suspicion of wrongdoing. This action aligns with legal statutes in Ohio, where individuals in public are obligated to provide their identification to law enforcement if there's a reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. In recent legal discourse, the issue of law enforcement officers demanding identification from individuals even after they have stopped their vehicles has come to light. Legal precedents indicate that such requests are permissible, contingent upon officers having a valid reason to suspect a traffic violation or criminal activity. This raises a pivotal query. Did the officers in question possess reasonable grounds to request Mr. Kern's identification? It's imperative to underscore that under Ohio law, absent a valid suspicion of wrongdoing, Mr. Kern was not legally obligated to furnish his information or present his driver's license. Furthermore, regardless of circumstances, he was not compelled to disclose his social security number.
I'll tell you what, let her finish her business and then we can sit down and talk like adults.
We're good. I'm going to let him go. We're good. I'm going to let him go.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what was your last name?
My last name?
Yeah.
Why do you need my last name?
Because I'm asking who I'm talking to. You asked me who you were talking to.
You're not going to be under arrest because what you're doing is getting arrested.
Listen, because I'm conducting business with you right now.
I'm not being detained. Where my friends want to be.
10-4, that's not going to be the driver.
What's your RS?
Stand by.
What's your reasonable articulate suspicion of my crime?
I'm going to get rid of him.
Doing what you're doing right now?
No, sir. She almost ran me off the road.
Okay. Again, you didn't yield to lights and siren. You came out.
She was next to me and stopped and almost ran me off the road.
It's not a probable cause.
If you arrest me, you violate my rights.
I don't want to arrest you. We have to ID you.
You're going to violate my rights. That's what you're going to do?
We have to ID you. You understand that? Yes, we do.
All right, I'm a videotape you.
Okay, we got you on camera too.
I'm going to call, then come get the car. You're violating my rights.
Who's getting what car? So I'll take a report on it, but I need your ID. Yeah.
I'm dealing with her.
Talk to me. Just do me a favor. All I'm asking you.
I'm a private citizen.
Just take your hands out of your pocket while we're talking,
right.
Okay? I initiated a traffic stop. I understand you and I and that gentleman, we all just saw what happened, okay?
Right.
I'm calling for another person because I'm dealing with one person. I call for another person because I have a man getting out of a car walking towards me. You know how society is. I know how society is. Now listen.
Right.
I'm asking you to identify yourself so I can let my dispatcher know who I'm out with. If you don't identify yourself, that is obstruction.
No crime,
I'm identifying you. Okay.
Thank you.
I need your driver license.
Look, man, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to arrest you if you don't identify yourself.
She just said it was no crime.
It is
Listen.
a crime. Obstructing is a crime.
Obstructing is a crime.
Identify yourself, crime.
I didn't do anything.
Okay, turn around.
I didn't do anything.
Listen, just all you have to do.
I don't have my ID with me.
Okay, what's your cell phone?
That's all we asked for. For what?
Because I need to let my dispatcher.
In Ohio, Mr. Kern's recent arrest sheds light on the intricacies of obstructing a public official, as outlined in specific laws. The law in question prohibits actions that impede or delay public officials in carrying out their duties. Mr. Kern's case arises from his refusal to disclose his identity to Sergeant Wolf during a traffic stop. While obstructing a traffic stop is typically an offense, the circumstances surrounding Mr. Kern's case warrant closer examination. Unlike previous instances where obstruction was established, Mr. Kern's conduct differed significantly. He parked his vehicle behind the police car, patiently awaited Officer Lewis's approach, and refrained from interfering with her duties. Following Sergeant Wolf's directions, Officer Lewis issued a citation to Mr. Kern for obstructing official business during a traffic check in Cleveland Heights. The charge was eventually withdrawn, and Mr. Kern filed a complaint against Sergeant Wolf. Police Chief Chris Britton examined the complaint and ordered Sergeant Wolf to do de-escalation training. Mayor Khalil Sarin announced the formation of a monitoring bureau to improve monitoring of police activity.
What's your last name, sir?
Kern, man.
Kern?
You know what happened. Why are you letting him do this?
He's a sergeant.
He's violating my rights.
He is not. He didn't identify
yourself. Send you on your way. You have a valid driver's license?
Yeah, she almost ran me off the road.
And you could have pulled off and waited and called.
I did wait when she said wait.
You were out here talking to her. Have a seat. Dude, have a seat. I'm not putting up with your bullshit, okay? Have a seat.
What's wrong with you, man?
Have a seat.
I'm sitting down.
All the way in. Is he valid?
I don't know. I'm waiting for the radio to say. So this is what happened. That vehicle matched the description of the vehicle from Weird Shit yesterday. Okay. I saw it. I initiated a traffic stop, and I'm getting behind him, but he stopped abruptly. Okay. This guy was very close to him, and we almost did get into an accident.
It was to a Demetrius Raphael Kern. It's a 37-year-old male. He's valid. That's one.
He's in handcuffs.
And he's being a jerk.
He obstructed. He refused to identify himself. I'm not going to sit out here and argue with somebody for an hour the legalities of it. You can come to court.
You guys got a lawsuit
Mr. Kern,
coming.
just hang on.
You got a lawsuit coming.
Listen, let me explain to you. Don't get out of the car yet. The sergeant wants me to give you a ticket for obstruction, okay? I'm not going to do anything else.
I don't have to refuse if I didn't commit a crime. This isn't a stop and ID state.
At this point, it is a traffic stop because you're out on a traffic
ran me off
stop.
the road.
Mr. Kern, we just had that conversation. I did not almost run you off the road. Mr. Kern, I apologize. I really do. And this is on body cam, all right? When police have to identify you, you do have to identify yourself.
If I broke the law, if I broke the law, I have to identify.
Mr. Kern, you got out of the vehicle in the middle of a traffic stop. I understand that.
A kidnapping, illegal detainment.
No one's kidnapping you.
I'm in the back of your car in handcuffs.
Okay.
I'm kidnapped.
This is not kidnapping. The sergeant placed you under arrest for obstruction. Listen, there'll be a court date. You and I will both go to it. Listen, I'm just doing what I'm told to do, alright? What do I put for this verbiage? When asked to identify himself, he refused. Alright, here's your property.
It was pushing on my cups are these, man.
Some janky, rusty ass stuff. Do you want to sign or are you going to refuse? Alright, I'm going to give you a copy of it.
You guys violated my rights. You know.
Well, we'll all be in court.
Probably the only good cop on the force.
I'm not trying to be a bad cop. I was literally not trying to even have any of this happen, and I did apologize.
You apologize, but you're following his directives.
He's a sergeant.
Yeah, but still, like you swore oath to the Constitution.
Listen.
No.
When asked for your information, you have to identify yourself. At this point, we're on a traffic stop together
But you
now.
still have to
A traffic stop is not a crime.
And I asked him, am I being detained? And nobody answered that.
Mr. Kern, who received an AY for his commendable conduct, a complaint has been lodged, legal representation secured, and a GoFundMe campaign initiated for legal expenses. The legal discourse revolves around Mr. Kern's purported failure to yield, underscoring the importance of understanding individual rights and pertinent laws. Meanwhile, Sergeant Wolf's grade of F stemmed from a hostile demeanor, whereas Officer Lewis earned a C due to a miscalculation regarding arrest jurisdiction. It's noteworthy that, as of the latest update, no legal action has been initiated. On July 1st, 2023, 2 officers from the Akron Police Department were conducting routine patrol in the vicinity of Copley Road in Ohio. During their patrol, they noticed a vehicle displaying a temporary license plate. This led the cops to perform a registration check on the car to guarantee its legitimacy. However, when the officers ran the tag through their system, they discovered that it had expired and there were open warrants for the car owner. After briefly losing sight of the vehicle, they found it in the parking lot of the Family Dollar store. Jordan Ely Sr. was standing next to the car, and the cops went over to talk to him right away. One of the cops' body cameras captured the entire exchange. Officers surrounded Mr. Ely's car violently and imprisoned him without giving a reason. They seized him quickly, threw him to the ground, and one of the officers was seen striking him on camera. The Ohio Office of Criminal Justice Services highlights that police enforcement must only use reasonable force to achieve legal goals, even in the face of what appears to be disproportionate force.
What's up, man? All right. Hey, come here, man.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, get on the ground. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Behind your back. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, don't do this to me, man. My son in the car, please. I'm not. I can't, officer. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back, dude. Behind your back. Behind your back. Do it now. Stop resisting.
Let go of your hand. Let go of your hand.
I got a hand here. I can't, officer.
Officers claimed that as they were trying to restrain Mr. Ely, he tried to run away and groped for the car door and then retreated. The exact moment an officer grabbed Mr. Ely's arm is under investigation. It can be argued from the video that Mr. Ely did not make any attempt to flee or retreat after the incident. On the contrary, it looked like he was about to close the car door. The incident described raises critical questions about law enforcement practices and the protection of individual rights. Despite officers' efforts, uncertainty surrounded Mr. Ely's identity and whether he was the subject of their search warrants. Yet, as captured, the encounter escalated into a physical struggle, prompting Mr. Ely's distress. His repeated assertions of breathing difficulty, citing his asthma, underscore the urgency for officers to consider health vulnerabilities during apprehensions.
You still pulling on me?
Yes.
No, I don't want to fight.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
I just want to talk to you.
Dude, put your hands. There's another car here. Hands behind your back.
Behind your back.
Put your hands.
Oh my God.
Behind your back.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe, officer. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
He's still trying to pull. Yes. Stop it, dude.
Please, I can't breathe, officer. I'm sorry, I'm just scared. Yeah. Yeah, please. Officer, I got asthma. I just want to sit up.
The 32 and the supervisor. Stop, dude.
I just want to sit up.
Stay right here.
Even though he begged for help, he struggled to leave the ground to breathe. Additionally, Mr. Ely is now bleeding from his mouth, most likely from a policeman's punch. The script depicts an incident in which the police attempt to arrest a man named Mr. Ely. According to the police report, officers restrained Eli when he resisted their efforts. The struggle lasted approximately 2 minutes and included the use of force, such as striking and grappling. The report indicates that Mr. Eli was not perceived as a threat and did not attempt to flee. Wayne Fisher, a professor specializing in criminal justice, underscores the importance of proportionality in the use of force during arrests, stressing that it should align with the circumstances. The narrative suggests that the force used against Mr. Ely may have been excessive.
Stay right here. I'm at the overdose office. Please,
You're gonna be alright.
I'm not.
You're gonna be alright. Stay safe.
Oh my God. Please, no. Yeah. I can't, man.
Just relax.
I got a lot going on.
You're gonna be
I
alright.
want to die. Just kill me. No.
No. Stop, dude.
No. No. No.
Stop, dude.
No.
Dude, search him. Go ahead and stand up, man.
Stand up. Stand up. Put your feet under you. Stand up.
Jordan, stand up, dude.
They're gonna lift up on your arm, feet up under you.
Search him.
I just did a quick pat down.
Please. Take a couple steps back for me.
Okay, roll over. Roll over.
Step back.
After additional police officers arrived, they initiated an investigation, which included a thorough search of Mr. Ely's vehicle. Upon inspection, they found a child, purportedly Mr. Ely's, who was promptly handed over to a family member. Moreover, officers discovered a baggie containing a substance that tested positive for fentanyl. Fentanyl is a potent synthetic opioid, classified as a Schedule II controlled substance under United States federal law due to its high potential for abuse and severe health risks. Mr. Ely was then safely moved to a seated position and transferred to a patrol vehicle, where he was secured while awaiting medical assistance from Emergency Medical Services, EMS.
Roll on your side. Roll on your side. Kid, okay?
Yeah.
Car hasn't been searched. I don't know if there's any weapons.
He's got a bunch of warrants. If you still have the channel held, you could release it and slow anybody else down.
I was doing that before myself.
Here's a small kid.
Man, can y'all please take my son?
We'll start at 32 for him.
You guys are
pretty call at 32.
1590 Chantel. 9 with a gun.
Cigarette thing is the ashtray is sitting right there.
What is it? Well, your tag's expired, man. You got a bunch of warrants. So if you just listened to us, none of this would have happened.
None of this would have happened, man.
I had a hard time.
You're going to be in a red truck.
Well, we're going to work with you, man, but this is all avoidable.
She just left me, man, like literally, like I have no way to contact her, man. I just was supposed to go get a phone right now. Dude.
Your kids in the car.
No, man.
Damn,
I
bro.
just want to be a dad, man.
You can't be a dad with drugs.
What's it?
Childish.
What a concept that is.
I didn't do nothing. I was just scared.
I don't care if you're scared.
Y'all know
So listen,
I don't.
Let's get him up.
So listen, man, it's all over with, all right? Let's have you take a stand up, okay?
All right.
Let's get your shoes back on.
Oh my God.
Outside of your mouth, anything else you need?
I'm whole body, man.
What for? 12. Let's keep him away.
No, sir.
It's all over now, man. It's all over.
One more time on his pockets.
All right. Ambulance is coming. They'll check you out.
Swing your feet in. Yeah, we'll roll the window down. Swing your feet in. Ambulance is right here. They're going to check you out.
It's crucial to acknowledge the events surrounding Mr. Ely, who was visibly distressed and in physical discomfort after an altercation. Facing charges including obstructing official business, resisting arrest, and felony drug possession, his situation underscores the complexities of law enforcement encounters. The Akron Police Department's adherence to its use of force policy, mandating investigations into such incidents, highlights their commitment to transparency and accountability. In response, Akron Police Chief Steve Miller said, "I'm aware of a video that's making the rounds on social media that purports to depict an exchange between APD officers and Mr. Jordan Ely Sr. on July 1st at about 7 p.m. on Copley Road. Similar to any other use of force, compliance with APD policies and procedures will be guaranteed by a comprehensive investigation. Following completion, the subject will be reviewed by the newly formed Akron Citizens Police Oversight Board and the Akron Police Auditor. Small steps taken by each individual can lead to significant societal change. Therefore, let's start by liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. Let everyone be aware of this issue and strive together towards a fairer and more transparent future. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on our upcoming content on the Cops Quiz channel.